Come test drive the 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, navigation package, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, leather seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.